In this video, we are going to talk about the top CLICKBANK products 2022, so before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Moreover, we are running a Bitcoin giveaway to one of our subscribers, so make sure to watch till the end. The world's top brands and entrepreneurs may expand and scale their businesses online by joining forces with the best affiliate marketers on the CLICKBANK marketplace. Previously, CLICKBANK solely sold digital goods, think ebooks, video courses, access to membership sites, etc. However, we began allowing tangible products on our marketplace back in 2014, and the rest is history. Here is the list of top CLICKBANK products 2022. So let's start. Number 10. The Lost Book of Remedies. Similar to Hyperbolic Stretching, the Lost Book of Remedies appears to come in waves and is frequently listed somewhere on our monthly list of the top 10 products. But given that customers' interest in survival deals and natural health solutions changes throughout the year, this may have something to do with seasonality. The fact that this product blurs the lines between the health and survival niches is one of its claims to fame. As a result, it appeals to any or both of these audiences. We frequently hear of people warming up a list with the Lost Book of Remedies before attempting to promote more expensive products to them. Number 9. Lean Biome. Returning to the top 10, Lean Biome bills itself as the next generation in weight loss offers. Created by Megan C., Lean Biome is backed up by Ivy League academic research, clinical studies, and real results. It's been shown to promote less hunger, fewer cravings, and a fired-up metabolism. As an affiliate, you'll get some amazing things from Lean Biome, including a huge 75% on front-end sales and 65% on all upsells. The product sales page features a Hollywood-style VSL, and the upsell funnel is optimized for high conversions as well, and there's a huge potential audience for this offer as well. Number 8. Care Essentials. A specialized health service for treating fungus is called Care Essentials. The item is a special oil that comes in drop form and is intended to encourage strong nails and skin. Living a life free of fungus and having perfect skin and nails is the main draw in this situation. The high-quality oils that make up Care Essentials include lavender, organic flaxseed, almond, and tea tree oil. Thanks to a grade A VSL and income increases offered to established affiliates, Care Essentials is bringing a lot of affiliates great success. Email, Facebook, and native all have good conversion rates for the product. Number 7. Hyperbolic Stretching. Not only is Hyperbolic Stretching consistently included in CLICKBANK's top 10 products list each month, but it's also a really great product. Listed below are a few factors that explain why this deal will remain at the top of our marketplace month after month. 1. To help advertise this product, you must submit an application to the Hyperbolic Stretching team. They avoid market saturation by limiting those who can promote it to those who have been pre-approved. 2. The product includes several funnels, some of which are intended exclusively for male audiences and others for female ones. Although the $20 on average payment isn't very impressive, Hyperbolic Stretching has the advantage of drawing in a sizable audience of both men and women. And this one is showing one of the highest conversion rates, with an average conversion of more than 5%. Number 6. Exopure. The tides come and go, the pumpkin spiced latte reappears for the fall season, and sure, Exopure returns to the top spot once more. This dietary supplement for tropical weight loss looks too good to be true. Exopure made its debut back in October 2021, and despite all the odds, it ended up winning its first year. With a $152.62 average payout, Exopure once again has the highest average payout of any top offer, a tiny increase from the previous month. Fun fact, its first average payout was $156.08, and in a year, that number has barely changed. On their resources page, you can find all the information you require, including promotional links, email swipes, product photos, and much more. Don't forget that you can request to receive an increase in your rev share commission from the regular 75% to 85%. One of the best teams in our industry is behind Exopure, and the outcomes speak for themselves. At the present, YouTube is dominating the sources of traffic for Exopure, followed by Facebook ads and email. Number 5. Prototox. Prototox has climbed all the way from position number 5 to position number 2. To make this supplement offer the number 2 product on CLICKBANK for the month of October might not seem like a lot of movement, but trust me, it's a huge leap. What then is the reason behind Prototox's growth? Well, for starters, it was introduced by successful merchants with numerous number 1 CLICKBANK offers. Additionally, it includes banners, product photos, and email swipes that have been expertly crafted. But if I had to pick just one feature, I think the fact that this product is converting so well would be it. Prototox is far more profitable than many top products on the market, with an EPC of $2 plus and a conversion rate of 1.46%, while still maintaining a reliable average payout of little over $140. It might possibly be as a result of their Lucky 7 summer launch competition, which offers prizes worth $77,777. Many affiliates will benefit financially from promoting Prototox. YouTube is the next best option for promoting Prototox, with Facebook ads in between. Prototox is worth a shot if your audience is interested in weight loss or health. Number 4. Prodentum. Prodentum has lost ground after 3 months at the top. Nevertheless, rank number 3 is certainly no laughing matter for such a formidable newcomer. This dental health supplement had a stellar performance with incredible numbers, but it has since leveled out a bit. Despite this, it is still a very potent product that has earned a spot alongside powerhouses like Dentitox, Steel Bite Pro, and, of course, the current champion, Exopure. The composition for the standard swallowable pill supplement is altered by this melting probiotic candy. Prodentum is made to improve the condition of teeth and gums while concentrating on the microbiome. With this one, concentrate on audiences aged 35 and up. Prodentum's EPC drops to $2.05 from the outstanding $2.23 it had last month, but it's still very good. It's obviously gained a lot of momentum. If you haven't tried it yet, now is the time to spread the word about Prodentum. Number 3. My Back Pain Coach. Numerous profitable health and fitness offers are seen on CLICKBANK. The only difference between the physical and digital versions of My Back Pain Coach is having to pay shipping for the former. This is what makes it unique. Because back discomfort is only going to become worse, it's also a fantastic, scientifically supported health offer for affiliates to market. A textual sales letter, an e-commerce style sales page, and article landers tailored for sciatica as well as male or female audiences are included in this product in addition to the primary video sales letter, VSL. Number 2. Glucotrust. For type 2 diabetics looking to lose weight and promote healthy blood sugar levels, Glucotrust is a more well-known supplement product. For a wide range of audiences, including men and women over 45, those interested in fitness, weight loss, ED, and conservatism, Glucotrust has a lot to offer. Although Glucotrust stats aren't nearly where they were in previous months, it still has a potent Hollywood-style video sales letter and a sizable target demographic. Because of this, Glucotrust is a good option to keep testing with your audience. YouTube and Facebook ads seem to be the traffic sources for Glucotrust that are currently most effective. After you've generated some sales, don't forget to get in touch with Carlos, their affiliate manager, as you may be eligible for even greater commissions. To learn more about Glucotrust, click here. Number 1. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. After alternating between the top 3 several times this year, Ikaria Lean Belly Juice finally makes it into the top 10. Customers adore the distinctive delivery strategy used by Lean Belly Juice, a powder that may be dissolved in a morning beverage as opposed to another tablet. Increasing healthy uric acid levels is a revolutionary weight loss strategy used by Lean Belly Juice. Natural fat-burning components, such as resveratrol, citrus pectin, and fucoxanthin, are responsible for this impact. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, to win the giveaway, you must like and subscribe and press the notification bell for more updates. In the end, thanks for watching, and see you next time.